So we've got this fraction written here, 2/3. What I want you to do is pause this video and try to think of any other fractions that are the same, that are equivalent to this fraction right over here, that essentially represent the same number. So to do that, let's visualize what 2/3 is. So let me draw a hole here. Let me draw a hole, and I'm going to divide it into 3 equal sections. So that is my hole. Draw 3 equal sections. I'm going to try to draw and make them as equal as I can do a little better job than that. So that's 1, 2, 3 equal sections. And so 2/3 would represent 2 out of those 3 equal sections. So actually I can spray paint this. So that's 1/3 right over here, and then this is 2/3. So we have 2 of the 3 equal sections. So that is 2/3. And now let me copy and paste that, so we can think about other ways to represent this fraction. So copy, and then let me paste it. I'll do it once, and then I'll do it another time. And I could do this multiple times, but I'll do it 2 other times right over here. So there's a couple of things we could do. The first option is we could take this and we could draw a horizontal line that divides each of these 3 sections into 2 sections. So let's do that. Into 2 sections. So now, how many equal sections do I have? I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 equal sections. 6 equal sections. And how many of those equal sections are actually shaded in now? Well, we see it's 1, 2, 3, 4. 4, 6. So notice, 4, 6 is the exact same fraction of the whole as 2/3. These are equivalent fractions. We could say that 2/3 is equal to 4, 6. Now we could do something very similar. Instead of dividing each of these thirds into 2, we could divide each of these thirds into 3. So I could draw 3 horizontal lines here. So let's see, 1, 2, 3. So now I have divided what was in 3 equal sections. I now have 3 times as many sections. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 equal sections. And then which of those are actually shaded in? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. So 2/3, which is equal to 4, 6, is also equal to 6/9. These are all 3 of these are equivalent fractions. 2/3, 4, 6, and 6/9. And if you were to put them on the number line, the same thing would happen. So let's do that. Let's draw a number line here. Let's say that's 0. And I'm just going to focus on between 0 and 1. And obviously we can go beyond that. Go beyond that. And let's divide it first into thirds. So this is 1/3 and 2/3. So we already know this would represent 1/3, and this is 2/3. We've gone 2 of the equal spaces of the 3 on the way to 1. We've divided the section between 0 and 1 into 3 equal spaces. Now what would 4/6 be? Well, now we would just have to divide this into 6 equal spaces. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 4/6, that would be 4 out of the 6 spaces on the way to 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So this number is also equal to 4, 6. And you could do the same thing if you wanted to think about ninths. So instead of dividing so what we could do, we could put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now I've split this part of our number line between 0 and 1 into 9 equal spaces. Well, what would 6/9 be? Well, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Once again, the exact same point on the number line. It's an equivalent fraction. 6/9 is equal to 2/3 is equal to 4/6.